Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just had this good delivery from Thompson and Morgan. Let's have a look, let's see what's inside, shall we? Here we go. Surprise, surprise. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Oops. Just falling over. Right, here we go. These are my petunias. As it says there, your Petunia Tumbelina Frills and Spills collection from left to right is Belinda, Cherry Ripple, Susanna, Priscilla and Damson Ripple. Nice little brochure there. Let's have a look, get these out of the way. These are lovely little plants, these. Came this morning, I'll put these straight on into these 9cm pots. I'm not even going to bother tagging the names. Be a nice surprise when they all get going. A quick tip and cheat sheet there if you're new to growing petunias. So you can get that there. But all I tend to do when I get them is a good peat based compost. You can use peat free as well. Nice and like deep like that. You want it to be the same level as it's been in the pot previously. Just round. Give it a tap like so. Get a few more done. Yeah, I've been waiting for these. These are going to look lovely in my hanging baskets this year and my pots and trays. Yeah, in like so. Doesn't matter if you get a bit on the leaves when you water them, it'll come off. Tap down. Really that easy. So yeah, these are all being nipped out of the top, which is great because then, if you can see there, send out loads of little new side shoots like it is there, and these will just get bigger and bigger. But we're also taking cuttings off these. Once they're big enough, you cannot beat having some free plants. But yeah, in like so. This compost has got a little bit of feed in, not loads but enough. But I'm also going to, when I water them, is put a little bit of feed in the water as well. But all I'll do is, like so, water them from the top. These want to be kept indoors, nice warm and light place until all risk of first frost has gone, because the frost will just decimate these. But yeah, I've grown them from seed before. This is the first time I've got any actual plug plants in the Petunia range. I thought I'd save myself a bit of hassle this year. So yeah, that's how to grow petunias, how to pot them on from Thompson and Morgan plug plants. If you like my videos, please subscribe, folks, and happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Bye.